What's going on, Mullen fam? I know y'all activated today off of this price action. A lot of y'all were already prepared for this move that was coming. You've been watching me preach and preach and preach about the technicals on Mullen Automotive stock. And some people that got in around 18 cents or 19 around in that range are already probably taking profits or thinking about holding long term. Now, this video, I'm going to be talking about why I think Mullen Automotive is going to $1 pretty soon and that the shorts literally screwed themselves in this play. Now, questions may come about as to why Mullen Automotive is making this jolt of a move to the upside. They're wondering, is it retail driving this price up with coordinated buying? Are the shorts covering at some point? Not to take anything away from the news that just got released today on the purchase order. That is banger news, but I want to also let you guys know what is going on behind the scenes, really driving this stock price to push up towards 40 cents before retracing back. Now, I know you guys following me have heard me talk about failure to delivers quite some time, and you can see it up on the screen. One of my latest videos about failure to delivers in Mullen Automotive stock. There's been an update in failure to delivers for Mullen Automotive stock. You can see in a span of 2 days here, November 15th and 14th, there was a total of over 63 million failure to delivers within these 2 days that settled. And shorts are starting to buy back the shares of Mullen Automotive stock. You can see that there's a negative here of 10 million shares. And there's also the negative 52 million shares. And as you can see on the settlement day of November 15th, there were 52.7 million shares that needed to be closed out by December 16th because the T35 closeout is 35 calendar days from the settlement date that these shorts have to start buying back Mullen Automotive stock. And tomorrow would be the absolute last day to start buying these 52 million shares back, in which you can see they have a negative of 52 million bought back here, leaving 342,000 left to buy back by December 20th. And you can see the price action going on here in mid-December that's backing up this data that I believe that shorts are definitely buying back the stock to cover these failure to delivers that they have. And you see that they're not stopping. But just look at that, over 52 million in relevance to the price going down. This is a yellow line indicating the price. We're all the way down here. Why do they need so much naked shorting going on down here at this level? And they're not going to stop, guys. These shorts are relentless, and I believe they are trapped. They've trapped themselves, especially since Mullen Automotive retail investors own 81% of the stock. Now, this next passage, some of you might find it familiar when you hear it, but I believe it explains exactly why I believe these shorts have screwed themselves over in Mullen Automotive stock. We're going to get right into it. It says failure to deliver is critical when discussing naked short selling. When naked short selling occurs, an individual agrees to sell a stock that neither they nor their associated broker possess, and the individual has no way to substantiate their access to such shares. The average individual is incapable of doing this kind of trade. However, an individual working as a proprietary trader for a trading firm and risking their own capital may be able, though it would be considered illegal to do so. Some such individuals or institutions may believe the company they short will go out of business. Key words here. These shorts think Mullen will go out of business, so they continue with their naked shorting. Let's continue. It says, and thus in a naked short sale, they may be able to make a profit with no accountability. Subsequently, the pending failure to deliver creates what are called phantom shares in the marketplace, which may dilute the price of the underlying stock. In other words, the buyer on the other side of such trades may own shares on paper, which they do not actually exist. So those over 52 million failure to deliver settled around mid-November. Look at this date down here. This says November 10th. What happened mid-November? Price got driven down. All red candles. The closeout date was mid-December. It's mid-December now, and the price is pushing up. So let me know what y'all think on the failures to deliver, closing out, helping with the trajectory of Mullen Automotive's price to go up. The shorts have been absolutely doubling down on every single chance they get, so they are relentless and they are not giving up. So expect some more failure to deliver increases coming in the next reportings or settlement dates to come, because now Mullen is closing out on this bottoming process and finding higher levels of support so we can continue to push to the upside, because people out there told you that Mullen is unable to squeeze when really Mullen has not even begun to squeeze. The bottom is just being set right now, and the shorts will start covering on the way up. So as always, don't feed the fear, stay charged up, and I'll catch you on the next video.